Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today is day one for me, Namm show 2018. Gonna make a breakfast burrito, have something in my stomach at least, and yeah, it should be an eventful day.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
So after a day of lagging it yesterday, well, not necessarily lagging it, I had to go to work and do some shit.
He's a lagger.
Not a lagger.
He's a lagger.
So we're finally here at Namm 2018. That's pretty hot outside. Joe Cool over here with the sunglasses on. Chilling with DJ Flip Flop. He was the one that was just scratching right there. I got some footage. Pretty dope, man. It's cool. I like it.
Thank you.
Good job.
I like it. It's all right.
Good job.
Yeah, I just got here.
So far, we've seen some pretty dope shit, and I gotta say that this thing right here, this phase mix fader shit,
Really dope.
is fucking sick. This is the future. No more having to worry about wearing out your vinyl
Needles.
or your needles, having to replace your stylus and stuff. That's pretty sick.
Like first product out the gate, we're gonna go after them guys and see what we can do. So I'm curious to see where they're gonna go. Like if we sit down like this, like there's not much more shit going on. You know, like where do we go? You got to expand the accessibility for people that want.
Takes some getting used to, but I just want to say that I've never played on this before, and I could easily jump on. And I just want to say with the 12, I didn't even notice that it was a controller. Like I said, I've never played on this before. I didn't notice it, except for one or two times when it does something specific with the software. But other than that, it's like an actual turntable, which was really surprising to me. And the mixer is a beast. There's a lot going on there, so that takes a lot more getting used to. But it is intuitive enough that you can jump on and actually do it. So I just wanted to say that I'm an experiment, and there you go. Brilliant.
Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
What's up, y'all? Once again, my name is DJ Babu. This is my brother right here, Mr. Chop. repping the world famous Beat Junkies. Shouts out to my man, Daniel, and everybody from Roll for having us.
It's been a pretty eventful day today here at Namm 2018. Been walking around a whole lot, been seeing a bunch of pretty dope tech, pretty much, but a bunch of dope DJ equipment as well. And right now I'm on a mission to find something to eat because I'm getting hungry and I'm getting tired of walking around, to be honest. But yeah, getting hungry. It's just so busy here and my feet are starting to kill me. Now I'm not ending this vlog right here, but I will say this. If there's anything that you guys want me to film tomorrow, drop a comment down below. Let me know what it is that you would like to see more maybe. If there's a specific product or whatever, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll try to get footage for that tomorrow. Because I actually need an agenda for tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm just going to be walking around. So I took a small break. Because I was craving pretzels. And I found one. With cheese. Just trying to get some filler footage. And realize that all this was in the shot. Fuck it. I'll go on the other side. Hello.
You must have heard me say wave at me.
Hi there.
How
I
are
drive
you
for
guys?
Uber sometimes too, so I know the difference.
Shall we begin?